Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete your Fortnite account. Now since you need to use Epic Games Launcher to play Fortnite, to delete your Fortnite account you need to delete your Epic Games account. Now remember, if you have bought other games using your Epic Games account, so if I go into my library over here, these are all the games which I have bought. I might delete my Epic Games account, not only Fortnite, all these other games which I bought will also be deleted. So that is the bad thing about it, but if you're sure you want to delete it, then these are the steps you need to do. First, you want to go to your browser, search for Epic Games, and then you want to click on the first option. It'll take you to the official website of Epic Games. From over here, click on the person looking icon and log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, you want to click on this icon again and click on account this time. Once you click on account, it'll take you to the account setting page of Epic Games. From over here, make sure you're in the account settings section and scroll all the way down. The last option is going to be delete account. Over here, click on request account deletion and click on delete account. Once you do that, a verification code is going to be sent to your mail. Whatever mail is linked with your Epic Games account, go check that mail and enter the verification code sent to you. After you enter it, click on confirm account deletion, and after 14 days your account will be deleted. If you want to recover your account, re-log in into your account within the 14 days time period, you will be able to recover it. But if you don't want to, just do not do anything with your account for 14 days and it will be permanently deleted. So that's how you guys can delete your Fortnite account. Hit the subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time.